In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a toe touch plank. So firstly, what you'll notice is if you do this exercise fast, you'll get the heart rate up. So it's a fantastic exercise for cardiovascular benefit, as well as a lot of shoulder stability is required. You'll feel this a lot in the arms, in the core, and of course your lower back to keep a nice stable position. So we actually start off in what's known as a high plank position, the same position you would start in for mountain climbers. So what I want you to do is come onto your hands and knees, and from this position, bring your wrists directly underneath the position of your shoulders, then bring your legs straight, and from this position, what you'll have to do is slightly arch up to be able to bring your hand to your opposite foot. So at all times, I'm bracing my core, I'm going opposite side to opposite side, and returning back to my start position. Of course, the quicker and the longer you do the exercise for, the more you'll start to feel that cardiovascular benefit and the heart rate going up. Over time, what you might find is you can bring the hips lower and lower as you get better at the exercise. So don't be too put off if you start with a real high position with your hips. Gradually try and work that down over time